and welcome to Bucksmore's virtual summer school. In this short video, I'd like to tell you a bit more about our engineering program aimed at students aged 14 to 17. To deliver a fantastic experience, we're partnering with Semester Learning. They're an award-winning online training provider for engineering, IT, and telecoms qualifications. Their mission is to increase flexibility in learning and delight through innovative use of technology. This makes them the ideal partner to give students the best virtual learning experience. Previously, they worked with companies like Siemens, GE, Amazon, Land Rover Jaguar, and the NHS. In week 1, students will learn the ins and outs of being an engineer. They will discover project management tools for engineering, explore the facets of manufacturing research, and will receive an induction to computer-assisted design. By the end of the first week, they will be able to design and perform simple tasks and simulation activities. In week 2, they will begin better understanding the mechanics and electrical engineering behind a robotic arm. Using this and the knowledge of materials and designs, they will explore how BMW uses 3D design printing in manufacturing and will create their own 3D printed items. Students will also have shared sessions on 21st century skills and topics including mindfulness, personality indicators, and positive psychology. These will be accompanied by sessions like careers advice, CV writing, and interview skills. During your studies, you will also be inspired by 2 guest speakers, one of which will be an engineering specialist. We look forward to seeing you online this summer. If you're interested, please use the links below to get in touch. See you online. Bye.